Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehreen Anwar. Assignment number 1, University of Punjab, subject Zoology. Roll number 61, topic Phylum Podophila, submitted to Professor Imran, submitted by Mehreen Anwar, Department Chemistry, submission date 1/1/2021, topic Phylum Podophila. The Podophila meaning. L. Pores, pore plus wear to bear, or sponges are primarily marine animals, consisting of loosely organized cells. The approximately 9,000 species of sponges vary in size from less than a centimeter to a mass that would more than fill your arms. Characteristics of phylum Podophila. Point number 1, asymmetrical or radiosymmetrical. Point number 2, three cell types: pinocytes, mesenchyme cells, and kynocytes. Point number 3, central cavity or a series of branching chambers through which water circulates during filter feeding. Point number 4, no tissues and organ. Next heading is cell type, body wall, and skeleton. Sponges have simple bodies, but still sponges are more than clones of independent cells. The sponges also have specialized cells. Therefore, division of labor is present in them. Following types of cells are present in phylum Podophila. Point number 1, pinocytes. Pinocytes are thin-walled and flat cells. They line the outer surface of a sponge. Pinocytes are slightly contractile. Their contraction can change the shape of some sponges. Some pinocytes form tube-like. Contractile proocytes. Proocytes regulate water circulation. The opening of the proocytes are pathway water movement of water through the body walls. This is the diagram of pinocytes. Pinocytes, this is extracellular fluids. This is substances. This is viscous. This is cytoplasm, and this is plasma membrane. Next heading is mesoile. Mesoile is a jelly-like layer present below the pinocytes. Amoeboid cells are present in it. These cells are called mesenchyme cells. The mesenchyme cells fairly move in the mesoile. These cells are organized for reproduction, secreting skeleton elements, transporting and storing food, and forming contractile rings around opening in the sponge wall. Point number 3, kynocytes. Kynocytes or collar cells are present below the mesoile. They are forming the lining of inner chamber. Kynocytes are flagellated cells. They have a collar-like ring of microvilli surrounding a flagellum. Microfilaments connect the microvilli. It forms a net-like structure within the collar. The flagellum creates water currents through the sponge. The collars filter microscopic particles from the water. Collar cells are also present in the group of protists called kynoflagellates. Kynocytes are present in sponges and kynoflagellates. It suggests an evolutionary link between these groups. Point number 4, skeleton. The nature of the skeleton is an important characteristic in sponge taxonomy. There are two types of skeleton in sponges. Point number 8, spit list. The spicules consist of microscopic needle-like spikes are found by amoeboid cells. They are made up of calcium carbonate or silica. They have different shapes. Point number B, spongin fiber. The spongin fiber are made of spongin. Spongin is a fibrous protein made of collagen. It is dried, beaten, washed, and all cells are moved. These washed and dried sponges produce a commercial sponge. This is the diagram. This is ostia. This is pinocytes. This is mesoile cells. This is amoeboid cells. This is proocytes. This is काइनोसाइट्स. काइनोसाइट्स को हम कॉलर सेल्स भी कहते हैं. ये स्पिक्यूल्स हैं. ये ओस्क्यूलम है, इस लार्ज ओपनिंग, और इनकी कैविटी है स्पॉन्जोसाइल कैविटी. दिस इज कॉलर सेल्स. दिस इज वाटर पाथवे. दिस इज ट्रैप्ड फूड पार्टिकल्स एंड दिस इज फूड वैक्यूल. Classification of phylum Podophila. There are about 5,000 living species of sponges included in this phylum Podophila. All the species of this phylum are grouped into three classes, depending mainly on the nature of the skeleton. They are both marine and freshwater forms. They live up to depth of 8,500 meters in the sea. They generally flourishes in the warm waters. In the matter of the size, they are highly variable. Their size may be few centimeters to several meters. The following is the classification of phylum Podophila. Phylum Podophila, three classifications: Calcarea, D. Spongilla, and Hexatinellida. Calcarea. Calcarea example Cathrina, Lycosolina, and Scypha. This example is Calina, Spongilla, and Spongia. Hexatinellida example Eupactilla and Hyloneema. Class number A, Calcarea. The sponges of this class are small. They all are exclusively marine from living in shallow waters. Next is their skeleton is made up of calcareous spicules. Body may be cylindrical or vase-like. They may either live in colonies or solitarily. Body organization. Body organization may be asconite, cyconite, and leconite. Development. Development include Coloblastula or Amphiblastula larva. Example is Cleathrina, Lycosolina, and Scypha. Class number 2, Hexatenellida. Point number 1, this class includes glass sponges. Next, the sponges of this class are of moderate size. Next, they all are exclusively marine forms living in deep waters. Their skeleton is made up of 6 straight silica spicules. Body may be cup, urn, or vase-like. They may either live in colonies or solitarily. Development include Trichomilla larva, for example, Eublectilla and Hyloneema. Class number 3, D. Spongilla. The sponges of this class are large size. They include marine waters or brackish waters or fresh waters. Their skeleton is made up of calicus spicules, sponging fibers, or both are known. Body is vase or cup of cushion shaped. They may either live solitary or in colonies. Body organization is leconite type. Development include parenchyma larva, for example, Calina spongilla and Spongia chelina. Next heading is water currents and body forms. The list of sponges depend on water currents. The chinocytes organize to form water canals. Water current brings food and oxygen from sponges. It also carries away metabolic digestive wastes. Water canal system is used for circulation and filtration of food. There are 3 principal types of water canal system. Point number A, Ascon type. It is the simplest and least common sponge body form. Ascon sponges are vase-like. Ostia are the outer opening of proocyte. The proocyte opening directly into spongocyte. Chinocyte line the spongocyte. The movement of flagella of chinocytes draw water into spongilla through the ostia. Water leaves the sponge through the osculum. Osculum is a single large opening at the top of the sponges. This is the diagram of Ascon. This is increasing water through dermal cells. Point number 2, chinoderms. This is mesenchyme cells. This is pinoderm. This is स्पोंजोसाइल. इनकी स्पोंजोसाइल कैविटी होती है. और ये काइनोसाइट्स हैं, कॉलर सेल्स और फ्लैजिलेटेड सेल्स. दिस इज डर्मल ओस्टिया, स्मॉल ओपनिंग. यहाँ से वाटर एंटर होता है और कनाल सिस्टम से होते हुए ओस्क्यूलम जो लार्ज ओपनिंग है यहाँ से वाटर बाहर निकलता है. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है साइकोन टाइप. द स्पॉन्ज वॉल इज फोल्डेड इन द साइकोन बॉडी फॉर्म. Frank canals are formed by the folding of its wall. Point number A, incurrent canal. The invaginations of the body wall of cycone form incurrent canal. Water enters into incurrent canal through dermal pores. Point number B, radial canal. Pores in the wall of incurrent wall connect incurrent canals with radial canals. Chinocytes line the radial canals. The beating of flagella of chinocytes moves water through incurrent radial canals and spongocyte. It finally moves on the osculum. Point number C is spongocyte. The radial canals lead to spongocyte. Water pass through cycone type dermal pores, incurrent canals pore, radial canal and spongocyte osculum. This is the diagram of cycone. This is hypopyle. This is incurrent canals. This is radial canals. This is ostium. And this is osculum. This is chinocytes और कॉलर सेल्स. इनकी स्पॉन्जोसाइल कैविटी होती है और ये प्रोसोपाइल्स होते हैं. Point number 3, Lecon type. Lecon sponges have extensively branched canal system. There are flowing chambers in Lecon type. Point number A, branched incurrent canal. Water enters the branched incurrent canal through ostia. Point number B, chinocytes chambers. Incurrent canal lead into chinocytes lined chambers. Point number C, excurrent canal. Chinocytes chamber open into the chamber of excurrent canal are large number of chambers and canals are present in Lecon type. Therefore, spongocyte is absent in them. They have many osculum for water-leaving sponge. The cone type canal system is formed by the evolution of simple canal system. This is diagram of Lecon type. This is chinocytes collar cells and this is osculum. Reference Miller, S.A. Harley, GB 1999 and 2022. Zoology 4th and 5th edition, International Singapore, MCGRAW Hill. The end topic. Thank you.